The macro button defaults to home. How to modify the function of the macro button to send code. Insert the SD card into the PC, and then copy the code to the SD card. Then insert the SD card into the control box. Open the grbl control candle software. Send the modification command $user/macro equals $SD/run equals AnoleX.nc in the console. This means that the macro button is defined to execute the file named AnoleX.nc. You can also change it to another name. For the first use after modification, you need to set the working origin, and then click the macro button to send the code AnoleX.nc. Click the macro button again to repeat the code AnoleX.nc.